Yo, what's up, hometown? What do we got going on? I'm just gonna ditch all this stuff. That's better. And what do we got? Some shenanigans. Hope you're all doing well. Hope your trading day was great and relaxed and disciplined. What's up? What's up? Let's see. We'll get some music going here. So turn your speakers down a bit. I'll give you a second. All right. Okay, hold up. Sometimes the music glitches out here. Yes, the music. Is it good? Okay, we got music. Let's see. No music? Aha. All right. Mic over music test. Good enough for me. How about you guys? You guys can hear me clean and hear some beats. Sweet. Gotta love it. Gotta love the mixer. So what are we looking at here? Well, I'd like to see it go bullish. I was anticipating that this was going to be the low of the week, but we could see a midweek reversal. So I'm just going to double check that with the weekly chart. And yeah, okay, cool. FOMC. Let's see if we can get down somewhere. I have no idea. Reclaimed order block right there. Maybe we dap that. Maybe we bottomed and we don't even go down and we just launch. I have no idea. These days are a little fickle. So we're just gonna study together. 1 minute chart. And I don't really know what to expect. I really want to attack that bear flag. So this is gonna be my targets. That's gonna be target 1, target 2 here, and terminus up here. So I'll label those after. we just gotta, wow. Let's sneak them in here. These guys right there. So I want to see it drop down first and then go up afterward. Now, I don't have an account loaded. I'm not really super duper excited to get into a trade right now, but it won't take me long to sign in if I feel like it. So if you feel bummed out that I'm not live trading, it's okay. You get over it. But if you study and pay attention and know what you're doing, you'll have just as much fun. if not more. Three, two, one. Slam down. Do it. Hard. Harder. Sissy. Violence. Show it. Oh, just a little pook. So there's south side liquidity. Trust me, bro. Support forming right now. And we're just gonna let this little bit here do its thing. We're expecting it to be rather mean right now. My wife's previous day low call gonna get tagged here. I'm gonna give her a shout out when it happens. I don't know if it is, but she is under the impression that that's gonna tag. Now we could chop out here for like a half an hour. How are y'all doing? What's up? Best channel on YouTube. Yay! I'm number one. I was just in the middle of turning up my sound. You're welcome, bro. So we'll see what happens when it tags these shorts out. Because just before 2 p.m., the shorts were in profit. So I would like to see this double bottom tagged. But did we get there? I don't know. That'd be dope. What's up, Ray Villa? You gotta, like, I know that you might think that that's something going on there, but it's a trick. What's up, Twiz? Shout out to Twizzy. Yeah, that's a trick. It's a trap. They're trying to get you to think that that's bullish. Look at the 2 p.m. news driver went up. So it's gotta keep going, right? I got a good idea. Let's chase that long right at the top, and then if it comes down, whatever. What's up, Benga? Yeah, maybe it's more entertaining. Just a little bit. Keep the retention. Just kidding. Yeah, by popular request, I launched it. What's up, Mario? So, when you're inside of a high impact news driver like this, it's really wise that you sit here and do nothing until the big giant pool of liquidity has been breached. So far it's just taken internal liquidity, so we'll just sit here and do nothing. And if you're clicking buttons right now, you do that. Of course, if you're not, then you're not. I'm not talking to you. What's up, after hours? No clickety. See, Stas right there. I knew you were clicking. I knew it. You were definitely longing that breakout. And now it's coming against you. Just kidding. +1 Stas. God bless you, bro. Oh, that's where the sellers, this is where the buyers come in. That's support, right, guys? Right? This is trust me, bro support. This is where the longs have their sell stops. Because they're like, oh, it's never coming down here. Trust me, bro. Weird how it went exactly there. Unbelievable. Now people are like, oh, I'm upset and stuff. Wifey, where are you? Holy. Okay, hold on. I know I screwed this up, my bad. Wifey gets a shout out. Did you hear her? Okay, so this is the point where I am looking for a long position. Maybe. Not that I'm looking for one, but I'm entertaining the idea that it could possibly start reversing. Well done, sweetie pie. All right, so previous day's low was taken in PM session. We've wiped out all the liquidity, and let's see if we can get some sort of sign that we're gonna reverse. So we can trade down just a touch more if it wanted on that tail, just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Now go up. If it's done, it'll go up now. Okay, it's not done. Set it up and try again. What do we got here? What was that? Burnt out. Oh yeah, something in the weekly, right? That reclaimed order block, correct. Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, Bellicose? What's up, Peter? No rate cut. So everybody be like, oh, it's bearish. Look at it dumping. Ah ha ha. I was right. And now watch it just launch in their faces. It's going to be so funny. You're going to see Twitter really quiet soon. All these guys are going to be championing their deadly call. Too bad for them, we got the magic stick. Everybody here with me, go to Crypto Lifer stream and like it. and give him a likey poo. And him, their BTC's dumping too. Right to the 2, and he's so dope. Look at that. He's already got it projected. Dump, buy the dip, bounce up. Attaboy. What's up, Bellicos? My demo short banged. Attaboy, Stas. What does no rate cut mean? It's American things. You wouldn't understand, bro. Alright, looks like we got some action, Jackson. So this is the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. This is second deviation of Asia's range, maybe third. Second, I think. Flouts right there. Or whatever. That's cool. Yikes, it looks like it's gonna dump hard, man. I don't think this is gonna reverse. It might not, it might save this for later. Like all that with those equal highs up there. Bummer. I say that because we opened a vacuum block here on the daily time frame. Bearish, we filled it and then started running down, so who the heck knows? This looks a little sketchy to me. Just grabbing password here. So we got 20 seconds. We got a swing high right here. If I see my little thing kick in, then I'll entertain a position. And maybe take another big fat L in front of y'all. That'd be cool, right? No, yesterday was pretty sweet. See how it's being really lethargic right now and not doing anything? This is setting up for beauty in a little bit. It's the best ever. Because everybody's looking to get in on that bear flag. And even if it does break down, yeah. Target those stops above the market. See what happens. You're welcome. You feel like shorting? You feel like shorting, don't you? It's inducing that feeling into you. It's telling you, hey, I'm moving down. This is a sell-off. You should short me. Please, short me. What's up, baby? A full pork short. Nice. Hanson's got the full pork. Congratulations on your call, sweet pie. Very cool. The bear call gal. Will be known as the deadliest trading couple on the entire internet. Oh. Today we feast. Watch out, bear flaggers. You could long. I mean, if you got the stones to put the risk up for that, but we still got 230. You gotta wait. I know that like there's some stuff at like 2, but the lots of the time a mean move comes at like 230. What's up, Buck Nasty? Three, two, one, boop, and we could see something cool here. Ha! That might be something really cool. It's a 4-hour breaker. Wow. Kind of down close candle, but I'll cherry pick it. A 4-hour candlestick. If he opens his mouth, it dumps. Well, then it will pump after then, right? Only a few more minutes. When the price starts engaging, it does this little thing. when it starts ripping and starts actually doing stuff, it'll do this little thing. Like, you don't have to like question if it's gonna be there. You don't have to worry if you worrying about missing a trade is it should be the least of your worries, but you make that your everything. Like, what if it doesn't show up? It's gonna show up. If it's gonna go back up, it's gonna show up. Even if it goes up temporarily, it's gonna show up. So there we go. Structure shift here. Dapping that fair value gap. Now I'm looking in the 5 minute and I'm just cross-referencing what's going on here. There's a bearish breaker here. So we're at a price point where we'd want to see some violence come from it if we're going back up. If we're going back down, we're going to see a bearish order block, fair value gap, and it's going to start doing some bad stuff. So now we got another minute to sit here and wait for that fair value gap to print, if it's going to make one. I'll guess about here. This one is different. You're funny. So now I'm measuring my gap risk from this gap to the bottom, 200 ticks. So that's $1,000 with one mini. Is it worth it? I don't know. Flipping that midway point of that gap. Let's see if we can keep it holding. What's up, Psycho Bear? Did it turn up? Wow, the last 3 minutes felt like an eternity. Holy shnikey. Take 5. All right, that wasn't quite 5, but I'm back. I'm excited. Are you excited? You have a limit order. Weird. Weird. Stuck in between fair value gaps. Sam, you're funny. This is where you thrive, hey? Little more range, but yeah. Word up. I know that track. I'm not listening, otherwise get feedback. Dope remix. $150 ticks. Two more minutes. One more minute. What's up, Busta Crypto? Hope your day was great. My volunteer hero. Oh, it'd be so cool if we got back above this guy, bottom left. Right there. 30 seconds. Can you do it? Can you reach? Wednesday is always great. God bless you, bro. 15 seconds. We made it. That was the longest 10 minutes of my life. Okay. Not quite the action I was looking for. But still cool. We traded down first. typically on FOMC, there's like the folder at 2, and then there's something at 2:30 that just drives the market insane. Typically, yeah, it's just weird like that. 200 ticks, and terminus is $20,233. Sorry, $20,033. If we can get up there, I don't know. I was hoping for a little more violence. Right there. Would like to see those equal highs blown out. $300 ticks. So when we get to this double top here, I'm going to just gauge what happens and see if I want to stay in the position. I'd prefer it if we started accelerating here. We could trade down a little bit, but not too much. So I'm gonna put my take profit there only because it's being so limp. So 19,864 is my terminus. $19,864.25. Well, this thing has no tail here, pretty sure. So I'm looking at the open, 79450 and the low, yeah, no tail here. Wow, this is pretty darn lazy, I'll tell you that much. So we've given that candle here a tail. So I'm going to mark off this is the fair value gap. Waiting for the Q&A. Oh, okay, yeah, I thought that's maybe his speech went a little longer today, maybe. I don't know, I'm not paying attention to what he says. I don't listen to dorks. Hey, first him talking, then his Q&A. Yeah, thank you, babe. Cozy babe. Bomb lady over there. So that's beautiful close here. Nice and strong. It's torturing the shorts right now. That's what's going on. The people who are chasing that short, that's where their stops are. And it's just torture. Think about it. If you were in a short right now and you were underwater and it was just bleeding backwards against you up, that would just, you'd be upset. So that's what I see going on right here. That's why I'm really comfortable in this long. Very comfortable. Yeah, I'm upset too, Stas. Yeah, I can't tell if you're just joking because you're always short for some reason and you don't listen, or if you're actually short. So the low here is 82675 and the open 827. So that there's a little tail on here, I think. Yeah. One tick tail. Oh, and there's a fair value gap there. And fair value to liquidity. Let's see if she does it. 10 seconds. If we get a down close candle here, I would really appreciate that. And you'd be like, why? It's coming against you, so I can use it for support later. Oh, here comes the show. I already can hear the questions. Mr. Powell, would you give Trump a hug if he asked you? And he's like, absolutely I would. And I would never swear at him either. And then the market goes bullish. See? Slingshot, let's do it. Wabish right in the face. It's just dangling. There's no way price is coming back up here. This is where the sellers came in. That's a double top. That's also super trust me bro resistance. And you're like, okay, I'll put my stop here with you and then announce it on Twitter that I'm short and here's where my stop is. This is so funny. It's just torturing these guys. It's awesome. It's awesome. 10 more minutes. Anson, don't get too antsy, Anson. Even I'm just like, oh, come on, just tag me. The shorts are like, yes, thank you, it's going my direction. Thank you, Candle Jesus. Come on, I want my 500 ticks. That's only 450. I can hear one of my students saying, you should be content. You teach us to front run your exits. I am. My first exit was way up here. And now I'm just like, I'll be good with that if you can give it to me. You know what's going there. It's a double top. Come on. Come on. Don't let it trick you. It's torturing shorts right now. Don't let 1 minute candles punk you. You know where price is going. And it's okay to tell yourself you know where price is going. It's going to those stops. It'd be funny if it just turned around and dumped right here. We closed above the down close candle and out of the fair value gap. Uh-oh. It's SM trees. You're funny. Yep, there's another bearish engulfing candle for you. 20 seconds. Have fun with that. The track list is cool. Word up. I'm glad you like it. Snap. Other way. We got 4 more minutes. I'll even permit it to come here first. I think this is our first high resistance liquidity run together publicly. Just means when there's a lot of give and take on the way to targets. People would call it a bear flag or a rising channel. We call it chop on the way up. Right there. Boom, that's it. Two more minutes. Oops, not 2 more minutes. Wow, that was the longest minute of my life. I thought it was 3 minutes long. No, I thought that 6 was an 8 over here. There we go, 3 more minutes. That's funny. Took me a second. Thanks, bro. Not too much. Not too much. Where you think you're going? I wouldn't want to see it break that, or I might bail. Oof. 5 seconds. Can we get the pump? Uh-oh. Stars, help me. Stars. Make it go up. You're funny. This is so weak, you guys. I can't believe how weak this ended up being. I thought it was going to be really violent. My entry's here. If this breaks, I don't want to be in it. Come and grab all that liquidity before running back up, maybe. I'm actually quite shocked we're not already at my target after taking that thoroughly. What's going on? Such a low-hanging fruit objective. Why are you playing games here? This down close candle I've marked off, I want to see it snap through. "15 seconds if we close above." That would give me some confidence in my trade still. Oh, that was brutal. Yay. We got like 3.5 minutes left. Somebody get the bike tire pump and plug it into your Ethernet port. Push the price up for me. Not the push one, the electric one. There you go. Thank you. Alright, I love learning blow on that sucker. There we go. Thank you. And that's exit. Holy moly, that was a painful ride. And I got a recording for you guys. It's like 1,000,000 hours long from after my entry, somewhere around here or something. But yeah, even though it looks sketchy for the moment, I want you to notice how it made equal highs in here. That's what we call trust me bro resistance. This is the, hey, yo, quit your job in 30 days. Trust me bro resistance. Well, what makes it trust me bro resistance? This is something I'm going to give to you for free. If you were blessed enough to find me and see this, when you make equal highs, you target them. Look for your cup and handle and target them, because there's somebody there with their hand out in the market saying, please come and take my money. It's already here. I'm offering it to you. So when you're buying a discount market, you want to then sell into the premium. The shorts are buying at a loss because they've sold the market. So that's who you are selling to, those losing buyers right there. So as it comes up and makes the shorts feel real good about themselves, what happened? Well, it came down to our discount array, order block, and launched into their faces. That's it. And sure, it could have came back and got me. It could have taken out the equal lows first and then went. It could have done a lot of things, but I was fortunate enough to be on side for this move. And I feel blessed to have that and to do it with you guys. It was awesome. Thank you for joining me. And for the rest of the day, I don't know what to tell you. It's kind of limp. There's a couple hours left. I'm really my interest level is just faded completely. If it was a little more dynamic, we'd be having more fun, but it wasn't. So I would elect to aim for these just as practice targets and use your 5-minute chart to get in sync with order flow and see if we can continue on the signatures that you know and love. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you very soon. Peace.